In the last video, you typed keywords into a search engine to find information about activities you might do on a day out with a friend. In this video, you will use multiple tabs and windows to keep more than one website open at a time, so you can easily compare and view different search results. Then, you will use Google Docs to organize and save information from your internet searches. This will help you remember the information you find so you can share details with your friend later. To start, open two more tabs in your browser and navigate to the Google search engine in each tab. Keep this video open in a separate tab so you can easily go back and forth. You might use the two new open tabs to search for different activities to do with your friend. For example, search for information about movie theaters in your area in one tab. Then search for nearby coffee shops in the other. Open more tabs in your browser to continue searching. Click between tabs to see and compare your different search results. Next, put the information you found into a digital document so you can access it without having to search the internet again. If you have already made a list of things to do with your friend in Google Docs, use that document. In a new tab in your browser, select Drive from the Apps menu. Then, find the document you created and saved and open it. If you did not create a document, click the Starter document next to this video. Click beneath your list of possible activities to do with a friend and press the Enter key 3 times. Then, type in a heading for your internet search information, like search results or website information. Anything you type in Google Docs is automatically saved. So, if you close out of the document, then open it from any computer or device with an internet connection, your information will be there. Next, click on the tab that has a website for something you'd like to do. Then, return to your document and type in the name of that activity or place. To make it easy to find the website again, include a link. Return to the tab with the website and highlight the entire URL. Then, press Command-C on a Mac or Control-C on a PC to copy it. Return to your document. Click inside the link field. Then, paste in the URL for that website by pressing Command-V on a Mac or Control-V on a PC. Apply the link. Now, by clicking the text, you will be taken directly to the website without having to search for it again. Add as many activities or places to your document as you'd like, and link them to the websites you find. If you accidentally close your browser tabs or your computer freezes, don't worry, you won't lose any information. Internet browsers keep track of the tabs you have open and the sites you visit. In Chrome, for example, view your browsing history to restore the tabs you had open. Now, it's your turn. Open multiple tabs in your browser. Perform an internet search in each tab to find different things to do. Using your document from the previous activity or the starter document, open a document in Google Docs. Type in a heading under the list. Type in a specific place or activity from your internet search. Insert a link in the document to the website for that place or activity. Move on to the next video.